Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Learn some white, blue, green, red, yellow and black. These are the colors. Today we are going to learn ABCD with fun. Okay, let's draw 4 egg. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 egg. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, A, B, C, D. Let's start to color. Green color, dark green color, light blue, light pink, orange, blue, pink, yellow, yellow, A, B, C, D. Bye. Please like and subscribe.